Now, would you ever, do non-attorneys ever contact you to say, hey, I've kind of been doing this, I guess pro se or pro per, and I'm out of my depth. Is that something that you do handle as well?
Sure, that's something I think a lot of attorneys would handle if somebody is trying to handle the case on their own, and it gets a little complicated. It's handling litigation on one's own if you don't have experience is really tricky at best, and you put yourself in a position of vulnerability because an attorney who knows what he or she is doing could really make it very difficult on you and put you in a position that you can't come back from. So certainly I would encourage people who are in that position to seek out somebody like me or somebody else who can help them through that.
So actually, that got me thinking about another question. So, what are the common mistakes someone like that would make that that's why you would recommend an attorney? Because I know sometimes I have people like, well, I don't want to pay the retainer. It sounds like, this is a simple case. I'll go away. What's a common mistake that you warn or you've seen non-attorney parties do?
Well, a lot of times when that happens, if there's an attorney on the other side, their eyes kind of light up a little bit, and you can send out some, for example, you can send out discovery. If you don't get the timely responses to the discovery, or even before that, if you don't have a timely and complete response to a complaint, and you might waive defenses, you might get defaulted entirely, and then you'd have to go to the court and beg to have the default set aside. And then if you wait too long, then you won't be able to have the default set aside at all. So there's a lot of time frames that are involved. And then all along that period of time, there are objections that you have and defenses that you have. And if you don't raise them on a timely manner, the court is going to take the position as they do. It's like, look, we are a court. We are not your attorney. We cannot give you legal advice. So if you find yourself in a position that you have given up something, whether it be a right or an objection, because you didn't timely respond or properly respond, the court's not going to give you relief from that under many circumstances.